Welcome to Click Academic. We are starting a series on Introduction to Statistics. This is the first lesson, that is lesson 1. We'll be talking about measure of central tendency. Measure of central tendency comprises mean, median, and mode. Starting with the first one, that is mean. Mean is basically divided into 3. 1. Arithmetic mean, 2. Harmonic mean, and 3. Geometric mean. So we have group and ungroup data. Mean from ungroup data. In a general form, giving a sample of measurement x1, x2, x3 up to xn, where x are the observation in the sample and n is the sample size. So arithmetic mean denoted by this x bar is defined as x bar is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 up to xn. Up to xn divided by n, where this x1, x2 are the observation and n is the sample size. Then harmonic mean denoted by h is defined as h is equal to n divided by 1 divided by x1 plus 1 divided by x2 plus 1 divided by x3 plus up to 1 divided by xn. Then the last one, geometric mean denoted by g, is defined as g is equal to nth root of x1 times x2 times x3 times up to xn, where x are the observation and n is the sample size. Example, question number 1 said, given the scores of 8 students as 5, 8, 12, 7, 9, 10, 5, and 8. Find Roman number 1, arithmetic mean, Roman number 2, harmonic mean, Roman number 3, geometric mean. So, solution to this problem, starting with Roman number 1, that is arithmetic mean. We know the formula for finding arithmetic mean. Say x bar is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus up to xn, then divide by n. So now our x bar is equal to x1. Our x1 is 5, x2 is 8, x3 is 12 up to xn, which is 8. So we should now sum them up like this: 5 plus 8 plus 12 plus 7 plus 9 plus 10 plus 5 plus 8, all divided by n. That is the sample size. You should now count them. How many do we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So all divided by 8. This is equal to 5 plus 8 plus 12 plus 7 plus 9 plus 10 plus 5 plus 8 is equal to 64 divided by 8. 64 divided by 8 is equal to 8. Therefore, mean or arithmetic mean is 8. Then moving to Roman number 2, that is harmonic mean. We know the formula for finding harmonic mean. H is equal to n divided by 1 divided by x1 plus 1 divided by x2 plus 1 divided by x3 plus up to 1 divided by xn. So now we know n, that the sample size is 8, all divided by 1 divided by x1. Our x1 is 5 plus 1 divided by x2, which is 8, plus 1 divided by x3, which is 12, plus 1 divided by 7, plus 1 divided by 9, plus 1 divided by 10, plus 1 divided by 5, plus 1 divided by 8. So we should now sum this up. We can find the LCM and simplify, then divide, or we can divide them directly, then sum them up. So let's divide them one after the other and then sum them up. So 1 divided by 5 is 0.2. 1 divided by 8, 0.125. 1 divided by 12, 0.083. Plus 1 divided by 7, 0.143. Plus 1 divided by 9, 0.111. Plus 1 divided by 10, 0.1. Plus 1 divided by 5, 0.2. Plus 1 divided by 8, 0.125. This is equal to 8 divided by, we should now sum this up, 0.2 plus 0.12 plus 0.083 plus 0.143 up to the end. We are going to have 1.087. So 8 divided by 1.087 is equal to 7.3597. Therefore, harmonic mean is 7.3597. Then moving to the last one, that is geometric mean. We know the formula for finding geometric mean. Say G is equal to nth root of x1 times x2 times x3 times up to xn, where x are the observation and n is the sample size. So this is equal to, we know the sample size, that is n, which is 8. So root of x1 is 5 times x2, 8 times x3, 12, then times 7 times 9 times 10 times 5 times 8. This is equal to, we should now multiply this all together. We are going to have 8 times 5 times 12 times 7 times 9 times 10 times 5 times 8. We're going to have 1, 2, 0, 9, 6, 3, 0. 8th root of this. So the 8th root of this number, we are going to use calculator to find the value. 8th root, press 8 first, shift this sign, then 1, 2, 0, 9, 6, 0, 0, 0. This is equal to 7.679. We should take 4 digits after decimal point. So the last one is 4, but the number succeeding the last one is 5. So we should now round this up, become 0.95. So this is our geometric mean. Therefore, geometric mean is 7.6795. That's all for question number 1.